Hey, what's up, unboxing fans? This is your buddy Appellant and Hawthorne, and I am here with another unboxing. This is an Amazon Prime fast delivery. I don't know where it came from, but we're going to open it up. As always, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe, please share, and check out some of my other ones. I ordered some cell phone chargers for my... Oh, you son of a gun. These are supposed to be branded. I don't know, I might return these. They're supposed to say Samsung on there, but they don't. They are advertised as branded. So I don't know if these are actually going to work because I've been screwed over. I paid top dollar for those, Amazon. What's up with that? I have a Note 4. It's a very old phone, but yeah. So I needed a new charger, so I'm going to actually email them and complain. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe, please share, check out some of my other videos. Appreciate everyone watches it. Hope you guys have a great 2020. Yeah.